Hello everyone, my name is Waleed. Today we're going to be unboxing a car. Now every week we unbox a car and this week is a 2018 Honda Civic Type R. So yeah, don't mind here, it's pretty old by the way, it's been from 2021. Anyways, so before I open I want you guys to like and subscribe and share this channel with your friends. Anyways, let's open it. So while we're opening, we're going to talk about this one. Now this is a Honda Civic. The Honda Civics have a lot of generations, but this one is a pretty special type. Got a correct list right here. So, anyways, so it was manufactured between 2017 and 2021. It's a Civic Type R, and it's a new one, so it's a 2018. Its engine is a 1996cc K20C1 turbocharged i4. I don't know if this is correct because it's a Civic Type R. Anyways, it weighs 1,000, almost 1,400 kilograms, or 3,064 pounds. It also weighs anyways, it has 306 horsepower, and it goes speed of 283.3 kilometers, or 106 miles, and its transmission is a 6-speed manual transmission. The car I have right now has an HKS livery. I think we got it out. JM Horts, let's go. Let's zoom in and see what happens. Okay. Not bad. So first up, we're going to start by the detailing, that it has details on the front. I know you can barely even tell there. I did notice that I do have the curtains closed. I'm just going to be right back for a second. Okay, I'm back. I opened the curtains. Since I already have light, but you want to get more light on the car. There we go. So you can see here some of the details. Got details here. The detailed lights. There's this Type R logo. Honda. There's the back, no details. But you can tell where the taillights belong, and yeah. What makes this thing, I think, special, there's two things that make this thing special, too. One, that this was made supercharged back in 2021. I'm not sure what the average price is. And it's also, it has HKS livery, which is interesting. So, I like it. The blue rims are cool about this. I like the blue rims. And the HKS livery is clean. I mean, you can't tell it's chrome. It also has mirrors for once, because you rarely see that on Hot Wheels. Like, look at this in 720S. They look at them, like they barely have even any mirrors. So some see McLaren with mirrors, or car with mirrors. There we go. HK's Hypermax, and what it says here. What else? Well, that's a sponsor for HKS. There was an HKS release in this year, I think. Yeah. So we're gonna talk. So it's an actual pretty cool car. Till I think where the back is, and it's a modified version of the Civic. I don't know how this most Civic looks, but this is a Type. Nice. I think mine has a misprint. Let me zoom in. Does it? Just looked at like something fell off, or was. Yeah, I think mine is misprinted. The front, you can tell here, no problem. Then you go to the side, it's a little wonky. You can tell over here is a little wonky. Interesting. Also, the window is a little scratched. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. It's one of my favorite colored cars I've opened. Now, right now, guys, it's my. Hey guys, that's all for today. This was the Civic Type R. Now this one has an HKS livery, like I said. Now, looking at the car, it's pretty clean. This is the second to last episode of unboxing car for the opening cars for 2023. So the channel will not end, and this will be the second to last one. Just had to say that real quick. When there will be. And I have a quick announcement that I'll be trying to make a rewind for the channel for what happened the past 6 months, I think 6 months. the channel, what we found, and everything fun. So, before I leave, I want you guys to like and subscribe and share the channel with your friends. We'll see you in the next video, everyone. Bye bye.